teaching you how to make a cat lick you. So first, you're gonna wanna stroke it until she starts purring and you can hear her. Don't know if you can hear her, but she's purring now. So then after you've purred her and you stroked her, she's happy, then you get your hands and you're gonna put it under her chin and start itching it like that, very softly and gently. Then, after doing that, if she wakes up, come on Billy. Okay, and then you're gonna put your fingers in front of her mouth and she'll lick you. Of this or that, or else. Ew. Her lips are very dirty. I guess she's fed up on licking. And that is how you make a cat lick you. Woohoo!